To replace the field on a 1450 or 10K puller, we first need to detach the electrical box from the machine. To start, remove the cable clamp with a screwdriver. Remember to also remove the brush caps and brushes from the top and bottom of the end bell. Be sure to also use your screwdriver to loosen the strain relief enough so that the cable is freed. Next, remove the two 7/16" nuts so that the end bell can be detached. Be sure to remove the nylon spacers and field housing assembly from the threaded rods to reveal the armature. Disconnect the field from the machine. After, you must also disconnect the field from the end bell. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the ground screws from the end bell. Once the ground screws are removed, slide the connectors out of the brush ports. You may use a flathead screwdriver to help slide them out. Note the specific orientation of the wires for reassembly later. On top of the 1450, find the electrical box. To detach it, remove the 4 screws in the front and the back with a 1/4 socket. Next, remove the cover by using a 1/4" nut driver on all 8 screws. Disconnect the cord grip that connects the electrical box of the field. This is the biggest one connected to the electrical box. Underneath the cord grip, you will find a plastic stop and a strain relief nut. Remove these to the point that the wires show. After you identify the 5 wires that lead to the field, cut and remove them. Connect the new wire crimps connectors and wrap them with electrical tape to secure the connection. Reinstall your grommet, plastic stop, and nut on the electrical box. Reinstall the electrical box cover and ensure that no wires are pinched or damaged. Make sure to start with the screws on each side before starting the others. To reattach the end bell, reinstall the ground wire into it. Next, reattach the brush wires into the specific holder you noted earlier. Always check your wires for any pinches or damage when realigning them. Place the electrical box back onto the 1450 or 10K puller and reinstall the screws. Reinstall the field housing assembly by carefully aligning the 2 long threaded rods with the motor in the field. Next, place the nylon spacers back into position and reinstall the end bell. Reinstall the 2 7/16" nuts. Make sure to tighten with a ratchet wrench to secure the motor to the machine. Reattach the strain relief with a screwdriver and gently pull the cable to ensure proper alignment. Reinstall the brushes and caps on the top and bottom. Make sure the wiring does not make contact with the armature. To complete the reassembly process, reinstall the cable clamp. The field has now been successfully replaced in your 1450 or 10K puller.